Hey YouTube, Puppeteer53094 here with my first card pack opening. I got 3 Number Hunters, 4 War of the Giants, 2 of the packs from the starter, Hidden Arsenal 5, Generation Force, and Order of Chaos. Start with the older stuff. See if we get anything good in those. Do a Hidden Arsenal 5. Got a... Sorry, I apologize if you can't really see it, but I got a Gilios, First Store, Gem Knights, Babylon Spite. Yeah, okay stuff. Next is Generation Force. Hopefully I get some decent. Gem Elephant, the Cracking, Kishki Diver, no foil. The rare was Kishki Diviner. Next for the Order of Chaos. This with the crease in there, cut. That's a cut. Crap. Photon Crusher, Gaga Bolt, Evil Town, the Shadow, however you pronounce it, for the foil. Kind of disappointed that these are unlimited, but we'll go with Number Hunters next. Wouldn't mind getting more number 74s or something like that. Gimmick Puppet Scissor Arms, Battle Cruiser Atlas, Photon Cerebus, Shikara, and number 49 Fortune Tune. Not a bad card. Ooh, suckiest card in the set. Insect Armor with Laser Cannon. Like anyone plays that stuff. Chronomaly Cabrera Tribalt. Number 63. Heraldry Record, which I think is a really underrated card, and I think it's going to be really good. And CYZ Simon the Great Moral Leader. And last pack of Number Hunters. Battle Warrior. Heroic Challenger Class Sword. Chronomaly Mud Golem. Rocket Hero Express. And Comics Hero King Arthur, which is a pretty good card, I think, in my opinion, for Noble Knights. But, alright, on to the War of the Giants. See if we can get a guy card out of here. Tilling Rage. Ooh, a Card D. Crown Mates with the Mosaic. Card D is a good pull. Common Battle Feeder and Zombie Red Deck, not bad for a battle pack. Next one. Wow. Forbidden Dress, common. Labyrinth of Nightmare, Black Rare Shard of Greed, Winged Rhinos, and Stronghold the Moving Fortress. Shard of Greed, Black Rare, and yeah, Dress and Shard of Greed definitely good. And Shattered Axe, Sinister Serpent Mosaic Rare, Splendid Venus, Iron, sorry, the Mausoleum of the Emperor. Alright, last pack of War of the Giants. Got a Enemy Controller, Stark for Killer, Black Rare Monster Reborn, A-Fire, and Exodius, the Ultimate Forbidden Lord. But yeah, not too bad. Common staple. Enemy Controller's not bad itself. Now everyone knows that, you know, see what the random is for this one. Oh my god, I am shocked. It's a C39 Utopia Ray. Super Swords of Revealing Light, Granosaurus, Ganbara Lancer, and ZW Eagle Claw. Not bad. And for the last one, hoping for a Mirror Force or a Heavy Storm or something. Rank and a Magic Cylinder. Rank up Magic Limited, Baron's Force, Shining Elf, Bar Lancer, and Bite Bug. So, nothing too spectacular, but still some decent stuff more at least. Oh, thank God that was a cut in the Carhartt D, but keep on looking and please subscribe, comment. I think all this stuff will be portrayed. Carhartt D probably even so. So if you guys see anything, just let me know. Puppeteer 53094. Thanks for looking.